Super excited to start my day. The patient is already on the OR table, and my team is getting her ready. I cannot wait to see how this will help transform. Just finished a revision of diaphragmatic hernia, also known as a hiatal hernia, where part of the stomach is up into the chest. In this case, this patient had had 3 different operations, a lot of scar tissue, so a lot of dense adhesions that were pulling the stomach up into the chest, and she had difficulty with her reflux, with food regurgitating, that means coming back up. And so what we did with little cuts, was 5 millimeter cuts, was able to pull everything down from the chest into the belly and close that area with sutures. And I'm really excited about how great everything looks and how it will help her with her symptoms of regurgitation and reflux. Um, so grateful for being a surgeon and extremely grateful for the trust my patients have.